This video tells you how to do approvals in the EPFO portal using your DSC without the need for DSC Signer utility and token drivers. All you need is the xorkeesign India G2C browser extension, which works on Windows, Mac and Ubuntu systems. You can add the extension directly from the Odyssey's download page or Chrome Web Store. Visit odysseytech.com and go to the Downloads page and click the Add Extension button. You will be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome. xorkeesign extension is available in Chrome, Firefox and Edge browsers. After adding the extension to your browser, register your DSC with xorkee by creating a handle for it. If you already have a xorkee handle, you can use your existing handle. If not, download and install the xorkee app by clicking on the Download xorkee button. Now, connect your DSC token to your system. The xorkee registration screen will appear. Enter your desired xorkee handle. This handle is a string used for identifying the user. Once you have added the extension and got a handle for your key, log in to the EPFO portal. Continue with the default steps for approving the pending claims. Click on DSC KYC. Select the signatory and click on Sign PDF. Ensure your token is connected and xorkee is enabled. If not, click on the xorkee icon in the tray menu. Next, you will receive the EPFO approval signing request in your xorkee app. Check if the notification ID displayed in the portal and in the xorkee signing request are the same. This is to ensure that you are signing the same data. Click Sign and enter the token password. You have now successfully signed using the xorkeesign browser extension. The same xorkeesign India G2C browser extension can be used to sign using your DSC in many Government of India portals.